Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, hill descent control, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, fog lights, engine block heater, trailering package, front wheel independent suspension, skid plates, four-wheel disc brakes. Your new ride is just a phone call away.